Hello everybody, welcome to my platform. This is Sichamba Jacob, and I guess you people are doing fine wherever you're watching this video from. Alright, so I've got this question with me where we need to solve it using completing the square method. So the first thing that you must be thinking of is looking at the coefficient here. You see, this is the x term squared. Now the number which is in front, that's our coefficient. It must always be a 1 if you want to use completing the square method. So for us to have a 1 here, we are going to divide by whichever number is here throughout. So that's the first step. And when we divide 4 into 4, we shall remain with x power 2 plus a 6 right here, because 4 into 4, it's 1. Into 24, it's a 6. So this is a 6. X minus 1 over 4 is equal to a 0. So that's the first step. Now at this point, we can use completing the square method. We shall say x power 2 plus 6x is equal to 1 over a 4. So we add 1 over 4 to both sides, or in other ways, we get this constant come this side. So it will be positive in that at this point it was a negative. So once we do this, we can now write x power 2 plus 6x. We leave some space and say equal to 1 over a 4. So what are we supposed to write here where there is a space? So what we're going to write here will come from the x term here. So we just look at the number which is at this point. This is a 6. So get this 6. Let me write it here. So it says 6 divide by 2. So whichever number is here, divided by 2, you're going to get a 3. So now this 3, square it. You say 3 power 2. It will give you what? A 9. You now add a 9 here and this side. So you add 9 to both the side of the equation. So when we add this side, we're going to get x power 2 plus 6x plus a 9, which is equal to, this side, it will be 37 over a 4. So if you ask me, how have I gotten this 37? There is 1 over 4 plus 9. So just find the lowest common denominator, which is a 4. So 4 into 4, it's 1. 1 times 1, it will give us a 1. Down here, there is a 1. 1 into 4, it's a 4. 4 times 9 will give us a 36. When you add 1 plus 36, it will give you a 37 over a 4 down here. And this is how I got this. Hopefully you can see. So let me erase. I'm running out of space. So let me clear some space. So let me clear some space here from here. So let me clear some space. So we've got, let's maintain what we have. We've got x power 2 plus 6x plus a 9 is equal to 37 over a 4. So we're at this point. I've just copied this. This is what I've copied. So now from that point, what we can do here is this. I want you to follow very nice. And I want to keep this where I said 6 over 2, it gave me a 3. And then I said 3 power 2, it gave me a 9. I want to keep this because I'll need it at some point. Here, we shall say x plus this sign, a 3. And then we put the brackets, power 2. Okay? Is equal to 37 over a 4. So I want you to understand something. When you reach this point, you get the x, you write it here without a power, and then you come here, get the number that you got, or the answer that you got after dividing this 6 by 2. It gave us a 3. So write the 3 here, okay? And then you bring the power 2 here. So if we simplify this, or this, it will give us this. This is a perfect square. It will give us what we have. Or what I'm trying to say is that when you multiply x plus 3 times x plus 3, this times itself, we will get what we have right here. So at this point, we can get rid of the power 2. I guess you know this. So the power 2 and the root will go. We shall remain with x plus a 3, which is equal to positive or negative square root of 37 over a 2. So you may be asking me that where is the 2 coming from? This 2. Square root of 4, it's a 2. For 37, just leave it like that. Okay. So now we can say x plus a 3 is equal to square root of 37 over a 2, or x plus 3 is equal to negative square root over 37 over a 2. Okay, so this is what we have. We have x is equal to square root of 37 over a 2 minus a 3. I've just grouped the like terms. Even here, x is equal to negative square root over 37 minus 3 over a 2 here. And when you work out, you simplify further here, you are getting x is equal to square root over 37 over a 2. And then here minus 6. Even here, x is equal to negative square root of 37 minus 6 over a 2. Like that. Okay. So these are the solutions. If you want, you can punch on your calculator and get the decimal solutions. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to share this video, leave a comment, subscribe. This has been Algebra Jacob, and bye-bye.